Another day, another mod. Let's go. So the spoiler just arrived from UPS. It's the same style as my F30, the high kick PSM style. Super aggressive. In theory, I could have kept that one or took it off my car, but since I sold it as is, it had to go. So this PSM high kick style spoiler is my favorite, especially on the F series. I had to get it again and put it on the M3. Let's unbox this. Check it out. Oof. It's fucking beautiful. The carbon weave looks super nice. Oof. And shipping took less than like 5 days, and I think the spoiler cost me like 180 bucks. Can't beat it. So now we got to bring the M3 into the garage. We got to take off the OEM spoiler, clean it off with a Goo Gone, and we'll put this on. Stay tuned. Alright, well that was a pain, but we got it. Now we have to get this 3M off. We're going to be using some Goo Gone with a microfiber in my finger to get the rest of the residue off. Jesus Christ, what a pain in the ass this was. It took maybe like an hour to get most of it off, even with the Goo Gone. But let's clean this off and let's put this new spoiler on. Finally got it cleaned off. And now to test fit it. Alright, so here's the test fitment. It's fucking perfect. All I gotta do is remove the 3M and put it back on. But I'm super happy with the fitment and how it came out. Look at that. Oh, so aggressive. all done. Fucking love it.